Hi everyone, how are you doing? How have you been? And I've missed you so much. And today I'm not gonna be reviewing or doing anything like DIYs, but I'm just gonna do this for the first time, and that's called "What's in My Bag?" You and I have this bag that I actually got from now this if you could just see guys, this bag little here, okay, it's highly capacious, and I got this bag from, I ordered online actually, and I ordered it from Jabong, and it is from Miss Bennett. Now, Jabong offers a brand called Miss Bennett, which actually offers you some casual and cool and trendy stuffs, especially for, a girly stuff. And I am, tired right now. I just came back from college, but I had to do this with you guys no matter what. And as you can see, I've just removed my all of the subtle makeup that I had done. And okay, let's move further and let's get started. I'm excited. Are you? Okay, let's start. So opening up my bag and opening the zipper, which okay, if you can see, I just opened the the, what is it, the buckle or whatever it is, and now I've opened up the zipper, as you could make out the noisy things. And okay, so I have many things to show you guys, but now let's move further. And starting with the basic thing that I have is my wallet in my bag. Now this wallet is by a local dealer. I actually got this in the metro station. There's this shop, and you actually, I was getting bored and I thought of buying myself something out of the moon. I do it actually quite frequently, but okay, that's, let's just forget it. So I have my wallet, in which I have, of course, I have money, and I have my cards, and I have my ID cards. ID cards, as in the Aadhaar card, actually, which is a compulsion in India to have for anything, getting yourself registered, and my photographs, and that's it. Photographs is the passport size passport. What is wrong? Passport size photographs. Okay, so moving further quickly, so that I may not bore you guys, are these the solution for my chopper and whatever. So these are these little toffees, and you can get these at any local confectionery dealer, and I love these ones. By the way, these are orange candies. And I have this extra super strong mint. I love super strong mints. And the ones that Wrigley's and the Orbit and everything else offers is like a light mint, but if you try this right here, extra, it has super mint, and as it's called, extra mint. Okay, moving on further, I have, yes, I have this Himalaya Herbals Pure Hands hand sanitizer, which is a compulsion. You must have a hand sanitizer in your bag. You know, you must have it. That now it's a basic need. You cannot just find toiletries and washrooms everywhere you go travel. So so you need this. Okay, so get yourself a hand sanitizer, a good one. Himalayas is nice and it smells awesome. It's a lime fragrance, which I love. Okay, so the next thing that I have is, okay, my tissues got over, but I have this a packet of tissues, wipes, which says Flora. It is by Floraz, and it actually got over, and I have to, like, buy a new one for me, because yes, tissues are also very essential for you, for your bag to contain. Okay, so the next thing that we are moving on further is, I have this little, a small pouch. This is by Sri Leathers, and this is also an Indian brand. And okay, it's a pure leather pouch. Okay, a small one though, and it contains all my change coins, as in, I have a huge collection of coins. If you could, okay, your so I have a huge one, collection. But yes, coins are necessary, especially in India. If you travel, it's, a necessity, because the auto rickshaw walas, madam 5 rupees खुले नहीं है, so you have to carry these are essential. Everything in my bag is a necessity for you to have, like this. The next thing is a travel, this is a travel brush. Okay, a hairbrush, just to pop you up and get you ready in case of that emergency interviews and all of that, everything else. So I have this brush, and it has a mirror, which I cannot really show it in the camera. So it has a mirror at the back and a brush, so a handy little thing. The next that we move on is again a compartment, sort of a pouch, which contains all my basic needs. That is the ID cards of colleges and the libraries, which are essential. And it has my metro card as well. Now, traveling in Delhi by roads is a big mess, so metros are really they're really a time savers. And I have my college ID and some 10 rupee and 20 rupees notes to actually give it to the rickshaw walas. So yes, you can actually create this yourself, or you could buy it. I'll link it in the bottom bar. It is available in Amazon as far as I know, but if it's stock out, you can find it in on any website. It's easily available, and this actually saves time. So if you do not have to open your huge wallets and take out again and again the things. So this is a super easy, convenient pouch that I have. The next that I have is my are my glares, these ones. Okay, so that's it. And the next things that I have are, okay, the pen and pencils and all those notebooks and the short diaries, if the mini diaries that you can keep for writing informations and noting down things. And next I have, along with the pencils and pens, I have these two markers, super easy and super neon ones. You can actually, highlighters, actually, markers, I say it markers or whatever you say, highlighters. So I have these for marking up important informations and anything else. If you have those handouts that usually you get in colleges. And I have my pen drive, which is a solution to my boredom. If I get bored, I usually connect it to my tablet and just enjoy movies or songs or whatever. Okay, so that's it. And that is my pen drive. And the next thing that I have is the power bank, which is, now this is the power bank. Now the power bank along with the cable of it. And this is another thing which I would recommend you to go and buy yourself, because you actually get down, iPhone batteries are they tend to drain very easily, so the power bank saves you on that. And also your tablets, and if you have anything of that, mp3 players and iPods, so they actually are a lifesaver again, which you should own. Get yourself one power bank, and this is by Digitech, not a very famous brand, but yes, it's an instant power Digitech power bank of this is of a capacity of 5200 mAh, and it charges an iPhone battery to the full amount, 100%. And that is it. And the next thing that I have, yes, my boredom savers are these two earphones that I have. Now this one I got from this one I got with the iPhone. That is the speaker one, and this is my pinkish Panasonic earphones. I love these. I love the color and love the sound. And I have this. I carry this because of the mic thing. This does not have the mic. This has a better sound quality than this. This has this one. These ones have worn. These ones have like wore out. Okay, they're now old. So I thought of buying something new and girlish and a tinge of color. So got myself these Panasonic ones. And the next thing that I have is, yes, the sash of your bag. Now this is really, really, really essential if you carry a handbag, which can, if you carry a bag like, you know, not a shoulder bag but a handbag which cannot be carried onto your shoulder, this is essential and you must keep this. If you like get tired of holding it within your hand elbow, so you could always, you know, get yourself tied these and carry it on your shoulder. So these are also a must. So I told you I have everything which is a necessity for you guys to carry in your handbag while traveling to college or anywhere, any place. Okay, the next things that I have is the are the lip balms actually. Now this is the Maybelline Bloom Stick Color Bloom, which I will be doing a review of again. And this is the Nivea Fruity Shine. Okay, now both of them have a tinge of color. This has more, this has less. So both of them are lip color, not, yeah, lip, these are lip balms with a tinge of color, so they are lip colors. And the next thing that I have is my kajal, the Kohl stick, and this Kohl stick is by Faces. Again, I will be doing a review of this, so you could check that out in my this channel as well. So that is all basically in my bag. I hope you liked it, and I hope you will take something, carry some advices and use it in your regular routines, and adapt it also. I love you guys, and I will meet you next time. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all. Thank you for watching.